Okay. I'm good. I'm really good. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing good, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm good, really good. I mean, I was very excited from the morning that I have to take your class today itself. So it's like always exciting to teach the students like who are having the very first exposure. Okay, yeah. My name is Lalit Chauhan and I'll be teaching you chemistry. Okay, good one. Very good. Okay, that's good. So, yeah, I'll teach whatever you want. I mean, don't worry at all. Physical chemistry, I'll teach. Don't worry at all. I'll teach everything. Don't worry. Okay, now a few questions, Amin. So, how was the experience of? Is this about intermediate, sir? Yeah, I mean, this is all about. These classes are like stepping stone. The platform will be created basically, so that you can launch on for the preparation of NEET examination. Okay. I'll be teaching mole concept. Don't worry, Ria. I'll be teaching that stuff. I'll teaching many things. Don't worry at all. So I'll be having a unique way of teaching that. So what we'll do, we'll be breaching the code of conduct as such. Hai na? Sir, please revise the previous classes, sir. No, this is my first class. This is my first class, so there is no chance of revising anything. Sir, should we continue same notes of which punts are taught or the other? No, I mean, it's okay. I mean, you can continue because I mean, this will be like I will be coming for 1 week itself. So after 1 week, one more sir will be coming to teach you, and that will be like, hi, I'm teaching physical chemistry. I'll be teaching you. Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. So like this is good class. The reason is that at least you guys are interacting, and interaction. Today is mine first lecture. Pant sir has taken 6 classes previous week. So today I'll be starting, and they have said that this topic will be basically mole concept. But before that, I'll be asking you a few basics. So are you ready for those certain questions? I'll throw questions at you. Are you ready to capture them? Okay, good one. Very good. So see, I'll say one thing. You all will be answering my questions in all probability in a wrong way. You will be giving me some bookish kind of answers. So the purpose is that by becoming bookish, by mugging up, we will never be able to become doctors. To become doctors at all India level, we need to analyze certain things. So it is something which is not taught at the school level in general, but I'm very excited. Some of you might crack the code. So let me ask you first question. So boys and girls, I will tell you one thing. Have you read little bit about atomic structure in the... I look like Shah Rukh Khan. No, I do not look like Shah Rukh Khan. Whenever I look at the mirror, basically I look like someone else. I mean, no, not at all. He's very smart kind of person, and see me, I'm very dumb, dull kind of person. Okay, chalo, we'll come over there. Shall I? Okay. So, I mean, I hope, yeah. Okay. See, everyone, what I'm saying, one thing you have gone through is that this is the nucleus. Okay. And we are having a picture of electron revolving around it kind of thing, or it's outside the nucleus. My basic question is that, I mean, any student of, see, you will enjoy this session, I mean, because most of you will be giving me some wrong answers kind of, or bookish answers. I'll teach you how to get to the right answers. Okay. So the basic elements of physics tell me, suppose there's a positive charge and we are having a negative charge. So if I put them closer, what will happen? Will they attract or will they repel each other? They will attract. Ria, correct? There are too many of them. Very good, Bachu. Very, very good. Yes. So they will attract. They will definitely attract. Very good. Now, my question is that, yeah, electrostatic force of attraction will be there. They will attract. No doubt about it. So my question is that if this is a positive charge in the nucleus, if this is electron, it is negatively charged. My question is that why the hell this electron does not fall into the nucleus? Who stops the electrons from falling into the nucleus? I mean, no. See, over here, I'm just taking an example of single electron. Only single electron, and basically the proton is there. There is no neutron. Even if neutrons are there, boys and girls, they will not stop anything from coming inside. No, nucleus has got nothing. I mean, if I say neutrons are basically neutral. So they will not stop anything. Okay, yes, we are having good. No, shells are Ram Sharma. There are no shells. There are only single shell. It is single shell basically. Yeah. So there is no idea of shells. So other shells will not have any function right now. Electrostatic force, beta, it will be attracting it. That's what I'm saying. Energy of electron, whatever the energy of electron is there, beta, it will attract it. It will be attracted. The kinetic energy is there, but if someone is pulling you, if you are revolving around me, if I have got the force of attraction, I'll pull you inside the nucleus. Okay, now, no, Tejaswini is saying something, and she's saying that, I mean, that when it is revolving around, it does not lose energy. And why it does not lose energy? And some Teja Reddy is saying that they are stationary orbit. And what do you mean by stationary orbit? Come on, let's see that. Let's see. I'll tell it. Stationary orbit, I mean, someone is giving me the theory that this is the nucleus, and Niels Bohr said that there are stationary orbits. In these orbits, if electron is revolving, it will not lose the energy. That's correct. That is the hypothesis basically given by Niels Bohr. But Bohr's model was proved wrong. And I mean, see that this orbit is not made up of any cement. It is not made up of any cement. I mean, it is basically in the air itself. Yes or no? Whatever, I mean, see what I'm saying, understand what you're giving me bookish answers. So please listen to my question carefully. Listen to it, because see what will happen. I'll come to that. Abu, I'll come to that. No, it is regular motion is there. See, everyone listen to me. Listen to me, everyone. So rather than giving me the bookish answers, because you guys are giving me answers of which I believe you don't have the idea basically. I hope you're getting it. So saying quanta release, regular motion. No, I mean, it is sufficient enough. The force of attraction is sufficient enough to pull it down. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. It is enough. So listen to me what I'm saying. Niels Bohr said that there are multiple orbits in which electron revolve, and in each orbit the energy of electron is basically fixed, constant kind of thing. But he never gave a law. He gave basically a theory, a hypothesis kind of thing, and his hypothesis was wrong. Yes or no? And science does not work on hypothesis. It works basically on experimental proof kind of thing. No, number of protons or number of electrons, it may be equal, it might not be equal. The fact is that if there are, like, say, two positive charges, and there are two electrons, they will merge into it. Or there are, like, say, three positive charges or three negative charges. They will all fall into it. They will attract. The basic is that they will all attract. There are 5 electrons, 10 protons, whatever the case, they will be attracted. It is like why moon revolves. Yes, David said something sensible. He's saying that just like this is sun, just like sun, and we are having, like, say, earth, or we can make it earth. And along this earth, basically, our moon revolves. So you guys are telling me what actually Rutherford said. Rutherford said that these heavenly bodies, they revolve around a planet, for example. They never fall down. So similarly, we will be having a nucleus, and an electron will also revolve. The reasoning he gave was that over here, centripetal force of attraction is balanced by the centrifugal force of repulsion. Yes or no? They're balanced, but that is the case only when they both are neutral. This theory is applicable only for neutral bodies, but over here the bodies are not neutral. This is positive, this is negative. So this same law which Newton gave is applicable over here, but not here. Are you getting it? Pawan, the repulsive forces or attractive forces you are saying is basically applicable only for heavenly bodies, which are actually neutral. Moon is neutral, earth is neutral. But nucleus is not neutral. It is positively charged, and it is electron, it is negatively charged. So this law is not applicable exactly over here. Getting Gautam? Yes, nuclear charge matters. Very good, Gautam. He's correct. So I hope you are getting the things. Okay, someone said something. Electrons are subatomic particles with spin half integer, and they're considered to have negative charge. If we talk about nucleus of the atom, it is positive charge, since neutrons does not have any charge. No, that is correct. But this has nothing to do with this answer. This has got, you are having information, boys, but that information you have to make sure that you are churning something to make it knowledgeable thing. No, it will not oppose electrons. No one can. Never ever. They will attract. A positive will never repel a negative. Never. They will always attract. That's so anyone in the 5th or 6th class can tell me. Is that clear? Positive charge and negative charge, they will always attract. Mohit Raj, what I'm saying maybe the positive charge and neighboring atoms does have, no, I mean, don't worry. See what I'm saying, I'm giving you isolated atom. You focus on this question, and there is electron, a proton and an electron, that's it. The maximum uncertainty delta X in the position of the electron is equal to the diameter of the nucleus. Okay, Joshna, but I mean, how do I explain that? Then there are chances to collision, that let them collide. Among all possible energy levels, electrons can sit in presence of nucleus. There is one which is minimal energy. Like, how electron knows that I am having a minimal energy? Who tells electron that there is a minimal energy, and why there will be a minimal energy? See, for example, why don't you say that this pen will fall and will stuck over here? It will not fall on my hand. Why? I hope you're getting my query. It might also contain a minimal energy. No, centripetal force will balance centrifugal force. That is basically applicable for neutral bodies. But for charged bodies, gravitational force, no. Gravitational force is applicable for very heavy bodies. It is not applicable for subatomic particles. Getting it? So see, the purpose, what I'm asking everyone, Vishal, electrostatic force will make it fall, beta. Understand that thing. If there is electrostatic force of attraction, it will definitely fall. It will never repel. Ventral force, no, beta, no chance. No, there is no balance. There is no balance, beta. You're not understanding. The electrons around the nucleus move with a fixed energy level, so it requires no. Swati, understand. What you are saying is said something by Niels Bohr, and his theory was proved wrong. His theory was not correct theory. I hope you are getting it. There is nothing like Pavan Kumar. Polarizing has got nothing to do with this. Okay, I'll tell everything. Don't worry. Acha, see what I'm saying. The purpose, no, beta, no. Shravani, what I'm saying is that it is revolving, let it revolve, but it will keep on pulling. So it will fall down like this, spiraling ultimately into it. So can't hold my curiosity. What's the answer? Varshit. That's what you have to do, like everyone, because neutrons do not have electric charge. Neutrons have got no role. If neutrons don't have any charge, discard them, neglect them. It's basically the proton which will attract the electron, and then it will definitely attract. No one can stop it. Like 2 protons is different thing. That is nucleus force, is different thing. I'm saying this will not stop from falling into the nucleus. Array, beta, understand what I'm saying. I'm just giving you, don't make the problem complex. When you make the problem complex, I mean, the answers will be complex. I mean, so the thing is, spinning has got nothing, bache. See what you have done, you have read somewhere something, and you're trying to give the answers based on that knowledge which has got nothing to do with the answer. So this happens, bacho. See, I'll tell you, wait. Stop giving your answers. Stop giving. Listen to me carefully. No. Guys, you have got no idea what Heisenberg uncertainty principle is all about. You have got no idea. You are simply cuffing out what you have read without understanding. Listen to me, everyone. This is very, very important, extremely important what I'm saying. Wait, I mean, stop writing, Preeti, and listen to me and let me explain certain things. See, I hope everyone in front of me, they want to become doctors, and to become doctor, what is required at national level? See, the NEET will be giving you, understand this thing first. See, the reason is that we won't be having that much of time when we start the regular syllabus, because the syllabus is big beta, and it is not like 9th and 10th kind of syllabus. Some of you might have read certain advanced things of 11th and 12th, maybe in the 9th and 10th itself. It's okay. But see, I have a lot of experience. I have taught here for past many years. And it's like, I'm very happy when I teach basically the juniors like you people. The reason they're full of energy, they're bundle of energy, and they want to grow, shoot up basically. But with a word of caution, NEET is all about logic, because they will not be giving you data-based questions as such, at least not in physical chemistry. Generally, they will not give you data-based questions. They simply might not give you that what is this? No. They will be giving you application-based. And what is application-based question? Which means whatever you know, you should have a logic. You should know the analysis of it. And now analysis is something which is not taught in the schools in general. They are giving you a data kind of thing. Data is given. Like, none of you people asked your class teachers when they were teaching you this atomic structure, that madam, physics teacher is telling me a positive and a negative will always attract. Why will it not fall? Rather than asking them the questions, you readily accepted whatever was printed in the book or whatever the teacher was teaching you. You never questioned. So when you will not question, you are no more a science student. Like, there's a difference between a student who is studying history or geography and someone who is studying science. The difference is that they will enlarge, they will mug up many things without asking anything. But if the science student also mug up, they blindly believe what is written in the book, no, they will be in all kind of problem. And that's why, see, the success ratio when you are writing a NEET entrance examination, the success ratio is very less. What I tell you, when you will come over here, no, Sheikh Ahmed, I mean, this has got nothing to do with, understand, I have asked you a very beautiful question, which cannot, see, my purpose was that quantum mechanics, now Arshia, now they do not know what quantum mechanics is. No one knows what is quantum mechanics in this class. So see, you're not understanding. You're simply giving me all kind of database things which you don't understand. Now, if you do that for like say 6-7 months, your journey will come to a halt in NEET in 6-7 months, because you will not score in the test. The reason, they will be asking you questions which will ask you or force you to analyze things, find out the logic for that. Getting it not? Gautam, I mean, you are not, see, that happens. Now, see, the people who are willing to give the answer of that, like they are giving it, but without understanding. And that is wrong. Like what happens? I mean, if I talk about like say 100 students who are attempting NEET examination. So out of 100, understand 99 people, they don't understand what I'm saying right now. They keep on cuffing up what they have been taught from first class number 1 to class number 10. Every lecture you have come across is all about data. And you never ask questions. And moreover, in your schools also, they were never welcoming the questions. I hope you're understanding. So here I'll welcome the questions. So I'll tell you what, who is a good teacher? I mean, tell me one thing, who is a good teacher? You will tell me case number 1 and case number 2. Case number 1, where the teacher gives you all, no, it's not like that. Not like that. See, who is giving you all the answers and making you dumb because your brain is not working. But over here, if some teacher is there who is giving you questions and giving you homework, think. Because a doctor, there is a difference between nurse and a doctor. Who are the nurse kind of category? Those over there, normally. And over here, I mean, doctors. High acceleration does not give a chance to proton to make it fall in. No, not at all, Rajendra, nothing. It's all useless. You have got no idea. That's what I'm saying. You guys are asking me the question, but what I'm saying, beta, You ask, don't believe me. You ask anyone who has done 11th and 12th, and maybe some student, who have got some lower ranks kind of thing. The people who are doing BSc, even they do not know why the electron does not fall inside the nucleus. I hope you are understanding, and I hope you are understanding my plan, that where I am going to take you. You will be simply unbeatable in chemistry, bacho. Unbeatable, because we'll be working basically on the fundamentals. Once your fundamentals are very clear, beta, there is no one who can beat you. And you know, moreover, how to use those fundamentals. There is no repulsion, Sharwani, beta. There is no repulsion. Now you're not understanding how you have an idea, a positive and negative will repel. You tell me. Low electric charge, beta. This is not low electric charge, it's a full positive charge, full negative charge. No, nothing. Achha, I'll come see. I'll be giving you all these answers, but later on, later on, I'm giving you these questions to think of, ponder. No, Ria, we have to live with the curiosity. We are not going to die with the curiosity. Yes or no? A good student and a successful person is a person who lives with curiosity. And if I'll quench the curiosity, you will never ever do anything. Yes or no? There is no screening effect, Shanmukh. There is no screening effect. There is only one electron. You're not understanding, beta. See, what you're doing, you're jumping on the answers without understanding the question. And that's what they do. See, when I'm working with the long-term students, the 12th class students, what they do, out of suppose say 180 questions, they attempt 180 out of 180. But they make 30 to 40 blunders. 40 blunders basically. That means they're closing the door of selection. Closing the door of selection, at all. Because they have not learned how to understand the question. How to analyze the question, They are jumping on the answers without thinking. And that is the biggest casualty, bache. 99, 96, 97% of the student, they do not become doctor. The reason is that it's not as if they're not intelligent. They are, but they do not know how to crack the code. Okay, I have one more question. Can I? Okay, see. Have you ever been to a mall where the doors are there and they're thick doors, very, very thick glass doors are there? Yes or no? Very, very thick. Maybe sometimes they're this much thick sometimes for the sake of security. So, now see, what you will give me? You will give me the data, but you will not give me the logic. Understand? You will give me the English of that, but you will never tell me science of that. Okay? Just like the way you were giving me this answer. No, it's not about bulletproof. So what I'm saying, you can see through this much of thick glass wall. Yes or no? You can see through this much of thick glass wall. You can? Yes or no? Okay. My question is that why can't you see through a thin sheet of paper? You cannot see through this thin sheet of paper. Now don't tell me that this is opaque and that is transparent. I am actually asking why that is transparent and why this is opaque. Why it is having the so-called high refractive index. What is that nature of it? That's what I'm asking. See, you guys are busy in giving me data. You are not interested in finding the logic. If you are looking at this thing, beta, I'll tell you what. The density of glass is higher than this paper. Trust me. Arifa, that's what I'm asking. Why it does not allow the light to pass? Why? There are many, many denser materials which allow the glass to, light to pass through it. Ritika, that's what I'm asking, that why the glass allows and the paper does not allow. What happens? What happens? Refractive index, why that? That's what I'm asking. You're giving me the data-based answers, students. You're not giving me the science of it. Glass particles are colorless. No, even if I make it colored glass, it will pass through it. Yes, Varshit, very good. Optical density is not, but now there is a very good term called optical density, which people do not have the idea. I hope you are getting it. Everything is tightly packed in glass. Everything is tightly packed. Gautami, refractive index has got nothing. You're not giving me the answer. Why? I mean, it is very easy to say the refractive index is high. But my question is that why the refractive index is high or low kind of thing? Both are solid, Pavan Kumar. Come on, Pavan, what you're saying? Both are solid. Density has got nothing. Transparent, that's what I'm saying. Don't tell me English. One is transparent, one is opaque. That is called English. I'm asking you the reason for that. The reason for that. Dheeraj, heavier, lighter has got nothing to do with beta. Nothing. You're giving me paper can reflect light. I'm saying why? See, students, let me tell you one thing. If you really want to succeed in life, or in this field of science, please make sure that you're looking for why. What is a useless thing over here? Why and how. They are the two best friends you will have in this field. The people who are running for what, when, where. This is basically for history, civics, geography kind of thing. But for science, why and how. Why something is transparent, why something is opaque, that's what I'm asking. Why it reflects, why it doesn't. No. No, you're giving me total definitions. I mean, as such, you're not giving me any reason for that. What happens? It is actually not arrangement of atoms. It is not basically arrangement of atoms, beta, as such. Like these are certain things, beta, which are supposed, and I'm telling you, I'm guaranteeing it that no one will teach you. They will simply give you data kind of thing. They will pack your notebook with so-called definitions, and when some tricky questions will come, you will go down at national level. You will definitely. No, you're not understanding. They are absorbing light, they are reflecting light. My question is why they absorb light and why they reflect light. No, you're not understanding at all. Glass does not contain ultraviolet photons. What are you saying? No, nothing. No. Okay. Second question I have given you. I have given you two questions I mean to think about. You will think about it. Students, I mean, just tell me yes or no. That are you understanding that what I'm trying to teach you? I'm not interested in the answers today. No, not today. But yes, I'm interested definitely that everyone who is sitting in front of me will become a successful doctor. Guys, I mean, you can give these answers, but I'm telling you that you will get either a private medical college or you will get a lower government medical college, basically. But over here, you guys are having 2 years. 2 years basically to do whatever you want to do. Like 2 years are more than sufficient if you understand what I'm trying to say. You all can crack aims. Trust me, all can crack aims. So cracking aims is not the game of intelligence. It is game of moving on the right path for 2 years consistently. And yes, I mean, student, tell you one thing. I mean, how is your mathematics? First of all, tell me. I mean, do you people know tables? You people know tables? I mean, because many times I have come across that people do not know tables basically. Okay, so let me just check it out. I mean, who will tell me what is basically 17 into 7? Come on, be quick, fastest fingers first. Kaun banega crorepati? Come on. 149? No. 119. Very good. Okay, come on. 18 into 9. Come on, 18 into 9. Come on. No, 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 not 139. It's 162. Very good. 162. It's not 152. Maybe typing mistake is there. Good one. Very good. Okay, who will tell me what is the 9 cube? What is 9 cube? 9 cube. 9 cube. 729. It's 729. Okay, what is 8 cube? The reason is that you will be using them. That's what I'm saying. Very good. 5112. 5112. 5112 is the right answer. Okay, come on, tell me 7 cube. What is the right answer? 7 cube. Come on. 7 cube. Very good. 343. Very good. So the people who are having this level of mathematics, they are all set to excel. And the people who do not know the tables, better please know the tables at any cost. Okay, come on, tell me what is 17 square? 17 square. 289. It's 289. Very good. Very good. What is 19 square? 19 square. 361. 361. No, 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 no. 18 square is 324. 18 square is 324. Good, good. So please, student, a humble request to all of you who are sitting in front of me, everyone. No, no, beta, it's not like that. Papers is not uniformly like crystals. No, not at all. It's not about that at all. No, no, trust me. It's all wrong. I'll teach you all the things in detail. All the things in detail. And now see, the people who are not having this much of level of mathematics, I have a humble request, but you please, before the real program begins, please learn tables, learn square from 1 to 20, learn the squares. Okay, boys and girls? And 1 to 10, learn the cubes and learn the tables from 1 to 20. 1 to 20 tables, please learn it. I mean, make it like anything, because otherwise you will be struggling in doing calculations. I have seen when you come to this campus or any campus you will go, most of the students, they are not scoring in physics. They are not scoring in physics. They are not scoring in physical chemistry as well. Now, physics is like say 180 marks. This section will be almost like say 70 to 80 marks better. So, I mean, if you're not doing it, you're almost losing 250 marks properly. So we cannot afford 250 marks when the topper is scoring 720 out of 720. We cannot afford. And trust me, if you are scoring less than 640, the chances are very less that you will be getting a decently good college. So in terms of marks, the competition is increased, but it is not that difficult. If you just master basic of mathematics, tables, squares and cubes, that's it. I mean, that should be revolving in your random access memory. Getting it? Everyone will promise that? Everyone. Because if you won't, I mean, you might be in problem, all kind of problems. I have seen the people in the long term. That means they have done 11th class, 12th class, and still they do not know the basics of mathematics. We keep on telling them, do this, but they don't listen. The reason is that most of them, they really don't want to become doctors the way they should be. Yes or no? So I'm not saying that you should, I'm not saying that when you become doctors, you will not get any problems. You will definitely get problems, but you will cry also. But I believe crying in a rickshaw is much better. I mean, no, it's like crying in Mercedes. Crying in Mercedes or BMW is much better than the crying in rickshaw or auto or bus. Yes or no? Agree or not? No, I'm saying basically that money is not everything, but money can buy you many things, many things, and that's what you are studying for basically. So please don't play with that. At national level, nothing comes easy. Nothing comes easy, beta. So you will have to fight it out. Fight it out. The question paper will be simple, basic, but logical. So if you have the logic, the power of analysis, you will definitely 100% you will succeed at any cost. Not exactly, but I mean, to an extent, Ria, to an extent. Yashwant, no, I mean, that is basically English. It's not chemistry. I'll tell you what, whatever you look around, it's all chemistry out there. You need to find out the reason. Stay with me, fight with me, discuss with me. And I'm very excited. Once you come over here, you will see me and we'll be discussing all kind of stories. Why? No, I mean, because see, we all get emotional. I mean, I'm saying practically, Rajendra, that problems will come. That is not in my hand. But how I will reflect on those problems, how I'll react to those problems, that is under my control. Are you getting it or not? Yeah, that's it. That's it. So I'll ask you one more question. Na? One more question to think about, because I mean, it's all about thinking kind of thing, beta. Na? I want every student of mine not to be dumb, but you will definitely get, Sanjeet, you will definitely get 100%. I'm promising you, if you keep on doing what I'm telling you, you will definitely make into it. No chance that you will be stopped over there. Okay. Okay. See now. Okay. Now see. Let me play one game with you people. Let me play. No, Swati, answer should not come this way. See, understand, you have crossed one level. In 10th, up till 10th class, the question comes and answer comes. Question comes and answer comes. But it doesn't make you a good student, basically. Scoring marks in 10th class is totally different from becoming a good doctor. I have seen that people who perform very good, suppose I've seen that people scoring 98%, 97%, 94% in, like, say 10th class. Most of them, they end up, failing in the NEET entrance examination or say IIT entrance examination. The reason is that they scored 98, 97, 94, not because of reason, not because of logic. They scored because of mugging up. They might be having good English writing, but over here we don't require that at all. We just require basics of the English and yes, a ton of logic and analysis. Every institute is full of these kind of people who have just scored because of mugging up. They have got no idea how to analyze things. You ask them questions, they will cuff the data. Like some of you were giving me data-based answers that they have got no idea why this is the answer. But no, sir, I have read in the class, I have read in the copy, in the book, but understand, decode it. No, Ria, we have to blame them. The education system in India was planted by Britishers. The plan of Britishers was to create servants who could accomplish the goals of British East India Company. We are following the same stuff. Even if you ask them, if I ask you, what do you want to become? So see, over here, we are doctors over here. But in general, when I ask people what they want to become, they say, sir, I'll become basically a CA kind of thing. Sir, I'll become an IAS officer. I'll become an engineer. Like, what are they? Most of them, they're all servant. All of them are servant. 20 years back, the dream goal of every parent was that mera beta, meri beti badi hoke sarkari naukar banegi, naukar, a servant. This is a civil services. Service. This is the new India. Don't try to become a civil servant or servant. Become owner. Become an entrepreneur. Malik bano bachcho, Malik bano. Ye naukar thodi banenge itna padhne ke baad. The time is gone. This is a new India, awaken India. Yes or no? We'll all crack the NEET in the way you want it. But yes, keep on doing what you have been told, beta. Okay? Everyone is servant one way or the other, beta. Who said you want to become a government servant? Become your own, owner of a hospital and perform the duties in whichever manner you want. Why do you take orders? I know what is good for the public. You know what is good for the public. Why do you take orders? Yes or no? Create wealth, give more employment. So when you become an owner, you are a person who is responsible for giving the bread and the butter for 100 more families. But when you yourself are a servant, you are responsible only for your own family. That the animal can also do. Serving to everyone is doing somewhere or other. Are you not, Ria? I hope you're getting what my point is that. Even if I'm an owner, I'll be doing services to my customers. Yes or no? I'm doing service to you people. Yes or no? So that should be like logical kind of thing. My question is that, Zahir, the people who will not listen to me, they will not become owners. The people who will not have the confidence, the logic, the power to proceed on, that confidence is missing. They will be looking for someone, please sir, give me service, kind of thing. And one who is having the guts kind of thing, you need guts. You cannot ask, you cannot talk this kind of language at this age. Zahir, I mean, this kind of language should be used by the people who have all given up. At your level, no. You should not give up that easily. Not right now. Not today. No. And the point is that never ever give up in the life. Never ever give up in the life. And just one, how do you know that? Anyways. Okay, now listen to me. Like we have cracked a puzzle when we were kids, basically. And the puzzle was that what came first, an egg or a hen? Egg hen, egg hen, egg hen, egg hen, egg hen. Egg hen, egg hen, egg hen, egg hen, egg hen. And dun, dun, dun. Turu. Okay, so we don't have the answer for that. I mean, but I'll ask you a better question. I mean, that is like for the kids. For the kids, what is fire? I'll teach you fire. I mean, that's all. These are good questions that we should understand, answer them. I mean, what is fire? Will the fire have a shadow kind of thing? What is that? So my question is that what came first, the idea or the matter? What came first, the idea or the matter? Okay. Idea, matter. Say for example, see, let's say I'm having a mobile, and and this mobile must have come first, or like the idea of this mobile must have come first. How the mobile will be made, what mobile will look like. First, the idea must have come, na beta, hai na? So I believe the idea comes first. Getting it or not? Are you getting it, everyone? How to understand? Yeah, how to analyze the questions, basically. Yes or no? Okay. It's so obvious. I do agree. My next question. Okay. Yes. So where did this idea came? In my brain? Yeah, in brain, yeah. And what is brain? A matter or idea? It's a matter. The idea of mobile came in my mind, in my brain, basically. It's a matter. So the matter must have come first. Yes or no? So you are all changing the answers now. Immediately you are changing the answers. But let's go back, basically, that someone must have created the brain. That brain must function in this fashion or that fashion. Yes or no? Yeah. So the idea of how the brain will look like, how the blood cells will work like, how the blood will flow, the blood should be red kind of thing or not? Yes or no? So I believe that idea of that matter must have come first. But again, to have the idea of the idea, it should come in the matter only, na beta. There should be something to be thought about, to think. So again, this is the same kind of puzzle, beta. Same kind of puzzle. So what I'm saying, see, when I was studying science, I was all mugging up equations, reactions, all those stuff. And it was like, and the problem with the chemistry is that you don't see anything. You don't see anything. Carbon plus O2 giving you CO2 kind of thing. Where is the carbon? Where I O2? And I don't see anything. Everything is occurring basically in the air. Yes or no? So that made basically chemistry for me to decode very difficult. And the primary reason was that they were not giving me reasons. They were not giving me reasons to understand those things. So if you don't give me reasons, it will be all in problem, basically. It will be a half-baked cake. So most of the students, bacho, I see around over here, there are all kind of problems, especially the people who are in the long term. Like long-term people are the people who didn't listen to us for 11th class, for 12th class, and most of them, again, they don't listen in the long term also. So they end up being a failure kind of thing. I hope you're getting it. But one thing is for sure, this is a very good class. The way you are no, I'm not angry in general, not as such. No, not as such, not especially harm. But if they breach the discipline, then I get little bit angry. I mean, but if they keep on asking question, giving answers kind of thing, I'm very happy with that. I really welcome that. And I try my level best that the fear factor, whatever is pulling them from answering or questioning, I break it down. That's what I do. Okay. Chalo. One last question, but I'll give Pramod, don't worry at all. I'm here. I'll give. I promise you. I'll give. Okay. Answers of the all. But you think tomorrow also I'll come. We'll discuss certain things over there, and we'll begin the little bit in the journey of mole concept. Okay. There is no topic, Rajendra. Please understand. Tell you students, I mean, you tell me one thing. You want me to teach you that what is basically the topic, or you want to learn, and once these topics come, you will crack it. I have a different teaching style. I will not teach you line by line of those kind of booklets kind of thing, which will make you, it will kill you. That method will kill you. You will enjoy with me. You will learn many things, and when it will be the chance of killing it, you will kill it in one shot. So stay with me, trust me. Now, if I begin, mole is, what is one mole? Mole is the number of atoms, proton, electrons, all substances, which is equal to Avogadro's number. That is called mole. You want me to teach like that? You'll all sleep in 10 minutes. I'll do it my way, you know? Stay with me, learn it. First of all, fall in love with chemistry. You will rise then in your career. Trust me. First have knowledge, hai? So see, tell me one thing. Which subject you are weak at in general? I mean, till 10th class, which subject you felt made you bit uncomfortable? Which subject? Or you are weak kind of thing? Okay. So all subjects are there, this way, that way. So see what I'm saying. There are two reasons that you are weak in the subject history, physics, Hindi, whatever it is like. The reason, there are two reasons. First of all, you were not taught in an interesting way. Agree or not? You were sleeping in the class. That was not taught in the interesting way. Yes or no? Secondly, in those subjects which you are weak, like you gave up bit early also. Yes or no? You refuse to put up a good fight with that. Yes or no? In my class, this though I'll not let happen. I'll motivate you a lot. I'll not let you give up also, this way or that way. Getting it? So this is a war we are going to fight. Yes or no? India should produce some class doctors basically, and which you guys will be in 2 years. I want everyone sitting around me, I'm in front of me. I want you to crack aims, but I'm not here to teach you basically that you are getting into the private medical college or like say lower order colleges and again becoming a problem to yourself as well. Fly high. This is your battle. Yeah, AIMS Delhi is quite possible. Many students, I mean, almost you can say in the past 5 years, I have been teaching in South almost 50 to 60 students are, I mean, studying in AIMS Delhi in the past 5 years. I mean, all of them were like you only. Beta. They came very raw, having no idea of, they were all passed out from the similar kind of schools. No, they were all very hardworking and they were following the footsteps, what we were guiding them to. It's not difficult at all. Like, what is difficult? Walking on the right path for 2 years is very difficult, beta. Anyone can study for 1 day, maybe 2 days, maybe 10 days, but you will have to study for almost like say 700 days. That makes it a bit difficult. Anyone who is having that kind of stamina, I'm telling, guaranteeing that they will be in their dream colleges. Dream. Stay with us, stay with us. I mean, you are in the right hands. Trust me. Trust me. Now, one more thing before I move forward. The people who have read little bit of atomic structure in the, see what happens when you will come here, the first class normally beta will be atomic structure class. The reason is that atom are at the base of the entire chemistry. Entire building of chemistry is basically based on what? Atoms. That's why they teach atomic structure first. Mole will come a bit later, just after that the mole will come, no doubt, but you should understand this only. Are you getting it or not? So today I'll be giving a little bit of homework which you will complete and you will revert back to me tomorrow, and then our journey will become, and you will also enjoy in hunting down the questions which I'm giving you. I mean, you go ahead, like, see, I mean, is there anyone in your family, I mean, like who had, elder sister, elder brother, or maybe uncle kind of thing, or auntie kind of thing? Ask these questions to them. They will be giving you same kind of answers. So I'm telling you, so when you will join the regular course, na beta, I'm telling you, within 1 month, I'm telling you, you will be equipped with certain things which many people, many people cannot answer those simple, basic, absolute questions, beta. Yes or no? Shall I? Okay. So the people who have done basically the atomic structure in 10th class, there was a scientist called Rutherford. I believe the science should be taught in a manner of story. The storytelling should be there. So what happens when you tell something in the form of a story? You connect to it, you bind to it, you understand, you love it. We are Indians, boys and girls, we love stories. India is all about thousands, billions of stories. Yes or no? We have all grown up on the basis of stories only. This way, that way. So why can't the science be basically the story? I'll make it a story. Trust me. We'll all make it a story. Okay. Chalo, now listen to me. Rutherford found out one thing. I mean, someone has told that model, gold scattering model, very good. Gold foil medal, completely correct. Completely correct. And Ishwar is saying that atom is almost empty. Very good, Ishwar. Wow, I need these kind of student who will guide my class. Very good. Atom is almost empty. All of you agree with that? All of you? That according to the report, the atom was almost empty. The reason was that, so if there are people who do not know this, don't worry at all. I'll teach this stuff in detail. In detail when you come over here. Don't worry at all. But I'm giving a basic idea. He was doing a alpha scattering experiment, and he found basically that if suppose this is an enlarged structure of atom, he found that almost 99% of alpha particles, they passed undeviated. Yes or no? Are you getting it? And very few were deflected. And out of say 10,000 or 20,000, not 1%, very 0.01%, 0.001%, Pawan, it was reflected back. Yes or no? That actually means the atom is completely empty. If anything can pass through it undeviated, it is only possible when it is empty. Yes or no? So Rutherford concluded that 99% of atom is empty. Agree or not? Agree or not? Yeah, good, very good. So 99% of atom is actually empty. Almost. It's not 99, it is actually 99.99% is empty. Now listen to my question very carefully. Very carefully, beta. Manasa, alpha particle, I'll teach that. You can assume that they're like say bullets kind of thing. There are some particles which Rutherford was throwing them. Alpha particle I'll teach, don't worry, but that is not the idea. Okay, plum pudding model was given before him. Okay, wait for that. The technicalities will come later on. My purpose is to ask the coming question, है ना? हाँ. Okay, it is basically Pawan has written that. I'll say that it is basically an alpha particle. Alpha particle is a helium nucleus. Helium nucleus. Yes or no? Okay, chalo, ठीक है. That's not the point. That's not the point. The point is that if I make a building, suppose that boys and girls, everyone with me. Listen to me. Come. That's not the question. I mean, don't divert. Don't come. See, if I make a building with a brick, and each brick is 99.9% empty. So I make a building with bricks, which is like say 99.9% empty. The building I will construct with the help of these bricks will also be 99.99% empty. Yes or no? That is fact. I mean, there is nothing in that. It is complete fact, true fact. Yeah, correct. Very good. What I'm saying is that everything around me and you is made up of atom. Yes or no? This wall is basically made up of atom. This wall is made up of atom, and this atom is 99.9% empty. That means this wall is also 99.9% empty. It actually means I am also 99.9% empty. Yes or no? Why the hell I do not pass through this wall and become a magician? Why? Even these two hands are also 99.9% empty. They should pass on. They don't. Once you start thinking the way I'm trying to make you think, but you trust me, you will be a rock star. Gautam, no. No. No forces, nothing. 99.9% empty, anything will pass, technically speaking. See, first of all, you people think with me. I'm looking like Shah Rukh Khan. No, I'm not looking like Shah Rukh Khan. You focus on the question. You are focusing on Shah Rukh Khan. Brrr. This is not Bollywood, Tollywood going on. No. No. This cannot be congested. This cannot be congested. I know that body contains this or that, but first of all, feel my question. What I'm saying. It's not about nucleus, but I'm saying atom. I do understand that 0.01% is nucleus, but it is okay. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. That is my question also, Poco M2 Pro, that if atom is empty, why the atom don't collapse? You are see the beauty of the God basically, or the someone who has created this universe, that being 99.9% empty, we cannot cross it. Think about these three questions. Keep thinking. Bapeta, 10, Papuri, your AC is on. AC is working now completely. Okay. May atomic transition. What happened? Where I disappeared? Okay, with space. I'll answer, Pujita. Don't worry, I'll answer. But I'll answer when my turn will come. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Over here, we also 1-1. Vamsi is saying Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay. Dan, such a long answer. Okay. Yes, got it. So all these questions, bachche, we'll discuss. And you don't ask me. You ask your seniors. I mean, you ask your seniors. No, no, don't do that, boys and girls. I mean, allow me to teach. What the hell is that? Not Siemens or Stark effect. It has got nothing, nothing. Okay, please wait. Okay now, is it okay? Audible now? Audible? Okay, good, good, very good. So what I'm saying, students, I mean, see, if you will give me the freedom to teach, I'll teach you like anything, anything. And since this is the beginning right now, so I don't want to come heavily on you people with a lots of data and formulas and stuff like that. I'll come, but slowly and slowly. We have 2 years. I mean, okay, we don't have NEET entrance examination tomorrow. So take it easy, give me space, है ना? Yeah, Rajendra, correct. I mean, so you talk to the people who have been like into this field for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and they don't become doctors. The reason is that they are not actually understanding the gist of this preparation, basically. Okay. Now, come on. Can I ask you one question now? We are coming to the topic right now, na? Topic. What I'm saying, tell you one thing. Do you know what is mole? What is mole? What is mole? Just coming over there. Oh, boys, I mean, don't write that. I mean, just let me finish it off. Okay. Am I visible and audible to all of you? Please, Sri Lasya and anyone who, please don't do it. I mean, because it will be wasting of your own time. Getting it? Please stay with me. Okay. Okay. So let me know, I mean, what is basically mole? You know what is mole kind of thing? You know what is mole? Like number of moles will be like, say, weight upon molecular weight, or you can say number of moles will be weight upon atomic weight. Agree or not? This much you know, this much you know in terms of that. Okay, great. Okay, now see this thing, listen to me. Now what I'm saying, suppose we are having, I'm giving you one question, I mean, think of that. Wait. Like say I'm having 64 gram of oxygen, I'm having 28 gram of nitrogen, and I'm having 6 gram of hydrogen. My question is that, sir, you are not looking like Shah Rukh Khan, but Shah Rukh Khan looks like you. Oh, mere Prabhu, maaf kar do. Tum idhar padhte kyun nahi ho tum log yaar? Look over here, solve the question. Which gas is present? Which gas is present in the maximum amount? I'll come. Charan, I'll explain that. Don't worry at all. Physics 10th class is there. Physics class, yes, there will be. Oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen. Yes, good one. Very good. Okay. So actually the answer depends on like who is asking the question, hai na? Who is asking the question? The people who do not know. Okay, I will come. Okay. Is there anyone who does not know the mole over here? Anyone who does not know mole, beta? Say mole definition, please. Okay, we have got one girl is there. Okay, the people are there. Okay. I'll explain. No, it's okay. Okay, got it. So I mean, whenever students, some of you do not know that, sir, we do not know this stuff, please let me know. That is my responsibility to teach you. Getting it? So I'll be coming to this question later on. But first understand, just like mole is the unit of measurement. I'll not give you any bookish thing right now. That definitions will come later on. First understand, mole is a unit of measurement of number of particles. Number of particles, not amount. Amount means weight. Remember that always in chemistry, amount means weight. Getting it, Lakshmi? Beta? Okay, not concentration. Number of mole is a measurement of number of particles. Not concentration, not amount, not weight. It will come later on. So, I mean, for example, see, since, how many atoms you think must be present in this pen? Or if I take basically many, not 1 crore, 1 billion, there are billions and billions and billions. So if I keep on counting them like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'll take 72 years to do that. Yes or no? So what I'll do, I'll be measuring them in terms of a bigger unit. So they say basically that 1 mole is actually equal to 6 into approximately, I'm saying approximately 6 into 10 to power of 23 particles. 23 particles. Yes or no? This number is also called Avogadro number. This is also called Avogadro number. Yes or no? You need not worry, the definitions, all this will come later on when we will be doing the fresh class from the beginning. The purpose of these classes is to engage you and make sure that everything is simple. Okay, tell me one thing. So Pujita is asking something. Pujita, my question is that, what is 1 dozen? What is 1 dozen? Only Pujita should answer. Only Pujita, no one else. Pujita, my question is, why 1 dozen is equal to 12? Why 1 dozen is equal to 12? Actually, Pujita was asking, sir, why 1 mole is this one? I do not know that. I mean, they call it like a dozen. They call it like dozen. It's the nature basically. I mean, we have to do something, na beta? We have to do something. Yes or no? Acha, why your name is Pujita? Why your name is not Shah Rukh Khan? Okay, getting it? Okay, perfectly correct. But Ria, don't get, I mean, no, is corrected. I mean, so what I'm saying, no, I mean, but I'll give you the reason for that. I'll give you the reason that why 1 mole is this big number only. Why this number is not your mobile number or any other number. I mean, you want, I mean, why this is this only. I'll give the reason. This will come in when, I mean, in the normal second class it will come. No, it's not scientist gave, Ria. It is basically that there is a reason, there is a science behind it, that why this is only this number, why this is not like say 94619475596. No, there's a reason for that, but it will take some time. And give me that time. In 2 lectures, I'll teach you that stuff. That why this 1 mole is this value only. Are you getting it? For now, just understand that 1 mole is a very big number, and this number is this one. Getting it? That is my number, mobile number, but my mobile number is actually not the value of 1 mole. Yes or no? Achha, can anyone point basically what is special in this number? What is special in this mobile number? Anyone? It is mine, yes. Oh yes, someone said that. Who said that? Yashwant. It contains 1947. You dial this number and get independence from your worries. Getting it? Okay, nothing about it. So I'll teach you that stuff. Now, how you will get these numbers basically. So there is a basically theory for that also. That also I'll teach you. But remember that number of moles is given by, if there is a formula for that, that is basically weight upon molecular weight, or you can say number of moles is basically weight upon atomic weight, beta. General definition, a general very basic thing I'm teaching you. Is that clear, beta? Pujita and all those people who are asking that, 2 things are clear. 2 things are clear to all of you. The details will come later on. Details will come little bit later on. Okay. So my question is that you guys know or not that what is the molecular weight of oxygen? Anyone knows what is the molecular weight of oxygen? Molecular weight of oxygen? No. It's 32. It's not 16. It's not 16. It is 32. See, oxygen has the atomic weight of 16. But since we have got 2 oxygen over there, in O2 we have got 2 oxygen. So 1 O is 16. Second O will also be 16. Total becomes 32. Yes or no? Yeah, that's it. Oxygen is a molecule. So molecular weight is 32. Atomic weight is 16. Is that clear? And what is the molecule? Combination of atoms is called a molecule. Yes or no? Come on. And now we have got N2. So N2 will be how much? The molecular weight of that? 28. Very good. Because atomic weight of nitrogen is basically 14. It is basically 14. Yes or no? Good. And H2 will be 2. No. Atomic weight of H is 1. Atomic weight of H is 1. Okay. Acha, chalo, tell you one thing. Who will tell me what is basically atomic weight? What is atomic weight? Everyone knows what is atomic weight? Weight of an atom. Very good. It's weight of an atom. You can say that. You can say that weight of an atom. And it is actually equal to what? It is actually equal to what? It is basically weight of neutrons and protons. Yes or no? Weight of neutrons and protons. this is going to give you what? Atomic weight. Agree? Some will give you beta at mass number. Some, see, suppose we are having 6 proton and suppose say 6 neutron. So the mass number will be equal to 12. Mass number will be 12. And are you getting it? And atomic number is given by what? Number of protons. So if I talk about atomic number, it will be 6. Suppose we are having like say 8 proton and like say a 7 neutron. What is the mass number? What is the mass number? Come on. That will be 8 plus 7, 15. Total number. Very good. What is the atomic number? What is the atomic number over here? 8. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, someone has asked a beautiful question that, sir, how I'll differentiate between mass number and atomic weight? How I'll differentiate between mass number and atomic weight? Yes or no, beta? Vishnu Vardhan, I'll come to that question later on. Just give me time because it is difficult to teach, I mean, in a haphazard way. I'll come. Don't worry at all. I'll come. Vishnu, I promise you. So, mass number is approximately, mass number approximately, not always, is also atomic weight, beta. Also atomic weight. Also, approximately, not always. It will be atomic weight or the molecular weight. And remember that. What I'm saying, the weight of total number of protons and neutrons is called atomic weight or molecular weight. Total number is called mass number. Weight of them is called atomic weight or molecular weight. Agree or not? Agree or not, Gudiya? Everyone? So what is basically atomic number? Number of protons. What is mass number? Number of protons plus number of neutrons. Both of them. And what is atomic weight or molecular weight? I'll tell you, that is with weight of all the protons and neutrons. All the weight of protons and neutrons. Okay? Chalo, come on. I'll tell you. Let's take one more example. Na? Suppose we are having 7 protons and like say 7 neutrons. What is the mass number? What is mass number? Come on, everyone. 14. Very good. And who will tell me what is the atomic number? Come on. Atomic number will be 7, I believe. Yes, very good. Very good. And who will tell me, if suppose I'm talking about atoms, these are all atoms, then what is the atomic weight? What is the atomic weight? It will be basically 14 AMU. It will be 14 AMU. Correct. Perfectly correct. Perfectly. Everyone is correct. 14 AMU. Weight of one proton or one neutron is 1 AMU. Weight of one proton or one neutron is 1 AMU. Ha, beta, your doubt, please ask me, beta. Ask me. Atomic mass unit. Sir, what is the difference between atomic mass and weight? No, in chemistry, there is no difference between atomic mass and atomic weight. In chemistry, we don't differentiate mass and weight. Mass is also equal to weight in chemistry. Getting it? But in physics, it will be different. Getting it or not? Almost same. Okay? No, unit is different. Coming. Full form atomic mass. AMU means atomic mass unit. AMU means atomic mass unit. Don't worry at all. I'll teach them all in detail. Today I'm all set to finish my lecture. So that's what I'm doing it. Getting it? I'm coming there. Come on, one more example. We have got like say 15 proton and like say 15 neutron. Come on, the mass number, everyone, that will be 30. Very good. Who will tell me the atomic weight? Atomic weight, 30 AMU. Very good. 30 AMU. Because we all know the weight of one proton or one neutron is what? 1 AMU. Agree, everyone? Who will tell me the atomic number? Come on. 15. That is 15. Very good. 15. Very good. Last question coming of the day. Last question. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm saying like we have got 10 protons and like say 9 neutrons. Suppose that. So what is the mass number? Mass number is 19. Very good. What is the atomic weight? 19 AMU. Very good. And who will tell me the atomic number? Come on. It will be 10. That's good. That's good. So I believe this basic part is clear to all of you. Basic part is clear, all of you. So I have asked you one question. Okay, so you will take this as the homework and you will give me the answer of this question tomorrow. You take this thing. Mr. Handsome, you have your doubt? I mean, please, you can ask a doubt. Or you can ask the doubt tomorrow. Na? Last gas basically is hydrogen, H2. Hydrogen, H2, this is nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. Feel free, not homework is not given today, but I can say learn tables, squares, cubes, and the basic definitions like atomic number, mass number, atomic weight. Will you please go through that? The actual question is that which gas is present in the largest amount or largest number, maximum amount of gas. Okay, let's work on that. Na? You do that. I'll catch you tomorrow. It was fun teaching you. You are all outstanding. God bless you all. Bye-bye, bacho. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye. Rock stars. Superb rock stars. All of you. The question is that which gas is present in maximum number? Okay? Bye, bacho.